Flood levels in areas affected by the Sungai Buloh floods have fully receded following Monday's incident. A check by Bernama at the Sekolah Kebangsaan Desa Aman Temporary Evacuation Centre found that residents had begun returning to their homes since yesterday after receiving clearance from authorities.
The PPS housed 925 evacuees from 228 families, comprising residents of Taman Sarjana Aman, Kampung Sri Aman and Kampung Boyan. Muhammad Afsham, aged 36, who has lived in Taman Sarjana Aman for 5 years, shared that flooding in the area has become almost a yearly event and hopes that mitigation efforts will be strengthened.
So dah duduk kat sini hampir dekat 5 tahun. So dia macam berlaku acara tahunan nak kat sini. Kerap lah berlaku. So yang kali ni agak sama macam berlaku kat 2021. So tu yang agak macam kita orang ni pun letih jugalah.
Meanwhile, Razia Umar, aged 43, who is staying as a PPS with 5 other family members, said she is satisfied with the assistance provided at the centre.
Setakat sini alhamdulillah lah, semua okey lah, sebab layanan pun rasa setakat ni okey juga. Semua dapat lah macam toto bantal apa semua. Layanan daripada JKM apa semua alhamdulillah lah okey. Ada pertimbangan rasa, komunikasi kita pun nampak okey lah, baik.
According to officers from the Kuala Selangor District's Social Welfare Office, basic facilities at the PPS, including accommodation tents, hygiene supplies and meal provision, are sufficient to support the number of evacuees placed there.